We are at, I think this is the Garment Lofts in Los Angeles. Same cab as the last one.
Guys doing a tour?
We're getting video of the elevators.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Sorry if I like.
Oh, you're all good. You're all
Feels
good.
the vibe.
No worries
Thank
at all.
you.
Have a good one.
Rare ERM.
Oh yeah, the different, the BB kind. Guess which spots we get. Just have a poke.
Let's go down up to the end of here.
Why's that?
Right freight.
Oh, you can get to the freight through the lobby.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw a door. It said to freight and stairs through this door or something like that.
As long as it's unlocked.
Hopefully it's not modded either. ECC. Ah, yes. That's definitely a picture of Los Angeles. Oh, that's a different part of Los Angeles. That's Skid Row. The last picture was Compton. He's formerly Otis. Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
No problem. I was hoping they'd have those custom atoms on the inside too. Oh, I guess he's just going to 2. Anyway, that's it.